So I've got a 2005 Prius and neither headlight works. There are two easy ways to replace the light bulbs. You basically have to remove this plastic thing by pulling out about 6 of these. So with these you want to put a little screwdriver underneath there, twist this out, and that'll pop out. Once you do that, you unscrew that, pull these 3 things out as well. And that will allow you to have access to a screw that's holding this headlight assembly on and a screw that's holding this headlight assembly on. Then this slides out. So the headlight assembly is held on by 3 screws. There's one up here, it's Phillips head, 10mm. You need to remove that one. There's one underneath this, you just peel it back, it's right there. And then there's one underneath this panel. This panel is really easy to get off. All you do is come here and peel this back, and it will reveal a screw that I've already loosened. Phillips head, 10mm. Undo this screw. So with that screw out, you can just pop this whole corner out. It's fairly flexible. So then, right underneath this screw here, right underneath that one, is the screw that you need to pull out. And again, it's another Phillips head. There it is. That one right there. Pull that out, and the headlight assembly is out. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so pull this out, pull this screw out, one more under here. Okay, so those 3 screws are out. You can literally finagle this thing out. There are some connectors here that you need to pull, 2 of them up here. Take those 2 off. And there you go. Right there is the thing you want to turn, pull off to access the bulbs. Twist it. Get that out of the way. This gets twisted up, pulled off. These get taken off like that. Flip that back, pull the light bulb out, replace it with a new one. Super easy. So we're going to do it on the other side now without taking out the headlight assembly. And it's so tight, it's actually really tough. Plus you can't see really what you're doing. You have to know how this bulb fits in, how these slots fit in, which they fit in, you know, right on those. Boy, it is bright today, right on those. So, but you can't see any of that doing it the other way. So here, I'll show you. So on the other side, the first thing you need to do is to pry this up, pull that out, and pull this duct off. With that out, you can come around here and you can see the cap that needs to be pulled off. You don't need to disconnect the wire there, the white clip there. You don't need to disconnect that. Just reach in here, twist. There we go. Twist, and then it's a little difficult to actually get this out of the way, but and that's actually part of the problem. I mean, I can probably, the leads to the wires are fairly long, and I'm sure I could pull this out some way. Very little room. This is hanging up actually on the thing that energizes the bulb in there, so I'm just going to push it that way. So if you know what the inside of these headlight assemblies look like, you can reach in here. Here's that cable that needs to be twisted or pushed down. And then that can be pulled off the bulb. There we go. So that's out of the way. Now there's just the two metal clips. Push down, release them off to the side. Drop the clip down holding, of course you can't see any of this, drop the clip down holding the light bulb in place with your finger. And light bulb. This is part of the problem with this, is that putting the light bulb in, pulling the old one out, if it's bad, is not a problem because you don't really care about damaging it, but putting the new one in is a lot more difficult. Either way would work, you're just kind of working blind doing it this way. Hands all beat up too. The other way just is 2 extra screws and the whole thing is so much easier to actually do, and you don't run the risk of damaging the new bulb. So I've got the new bulbs, and you want to wear rubber gloves because you don't want to get oil on the glass. It'll create hot spots and possibly burn it out. So right now I'm looking for what will be the top part of the I'm looking for that etch, or that, I'm looking for that notch right there because that will go at the 12 o'clock position, so that'll go directly up into the light. So looking for that square notch. And right there it is. That will go right there. And that's all there is to it. Take the that one's done. So after you get your light back on, you want to make sure this tab is on top of the headlight assembly tabs, because that notch right back in there is going to fit into that notch, and that one there is going to fit into that. Before you get to that part though, first insert this right up in here. There's little clips that these openings fit into. Kind of lift up from the front. And push back. Okay. With that snapped into place and this hole lined up, I want to come back under here and put this screw back into place. First place I would start would be with the relays and the fuses, and to get to those, you come here, pull on this side, it comes off. These are the fuses for the headlights. These are the two relays. This is the main relay. This is the dim relay, DIM. Here it is actually on this. The HLP is the main one. The dim is beneath it. Then the 4 off to the left. So check the fuses, make sure they're not blowing. So pull out your little fuse puller. Pull each of these fuses out. Check to see that it's not burnt or broken. You can see the little filament in there. That should be continuous, not burnt or broken in any way. If you have a fuse tester, you don't need to pull these out. You can just... And I'll show you how to check the relays right now. I'm going to turn the headlights on. We should hear that click. Okay, I heard that click. Now I'm going to turn the high beams on. And I hear that click too. Because they don't turn it on at all, high beams or low beams, I am suspecting this fuse or this relay powers this one, and this one's clicking. They both are clicking, which means the coil's being activated, but the contacts are either burnt or something about them is not making them connect. So I'm going to try replacing this relay. So I'm going to put a new, this is about a $13 relay. It is a Denso relay. I'm going to turn the headlights on, and sure enough, headlights come on. We'll try the high beams. And we've got ourselves high beams. Perfect. Easy solution. New bulbs, new relay, cheap fix, learn something. All in all, a good experience. Back in business.